Welcome to Uyea. Here's a quick clip of how I got here. And that gives you an idea of the quick spin to get here. It's really not that tough. I'm cheating, I'm using the e-bike. This ground's really soft and boggy and I keep going on about it, but it's a revelation getting on the e-bike because you can just really make serious progress. Even on wet, soggy ground at this time of year, it's mostly soggy. So yeah, we're at Uyea. I love this place, probably my favourite place in Shetland. Today's a very different day to what I'm used to. It's very rugged and angry looking boiling seas and stuff like that, which is really interesting and very different to what it's normally like, to be honest. So kind of cool to be here. There's a big rolling swell coming in and it's smashing off these rocks. I'm wondering what kind of a day the seals are having, because they're normally hauled out. There's a beach around the corner over there, or they can be hauled out down here as well. I don't see many, so I wonder where they're all at. I also noticed that there were some seals in this geo over here, which seems to be having a bit of a tough time. So yeah, it's a bit wild in there. So yeah, I'm just going to cut to a couple of clips now, just to give you an idea what the place looks like, and then I'm going to keep carrying on in this little cycle. Glorious though, really cool.
So
every now and again you get this massive set that comes in and just blasts the shoreline. I'm just looking at this as a kind of keen swimmer. You've just got no chance in there. Absolutely insane. We actually had a lifeboat shout rescue in this little bay in here, but it was a completely different day. I don't know how it would work if you got stuck in that beach today. Here comes a big rolling wave in now. It's always really humbling when you get to see the raw power of the ocean. This looks like it might even be a bigger one coming in. Just tons of water, tons of it. Epic. Well, I think that's enough of that. I'm going home. I'm actually getting pretty cold. You never know quite how to dress. When you're on the e-bike, your work rate's a little bit less, so you can chill. It's not to say you're not working, just kind of depends. But I'm definitely feeling the cold today, so I think I'm done. Every now and again you catch a little seal just swimming in the surf. There's one in there. I don't think you'll pick it out in the camera, but it's insane what they can endure. There is actually a seal swimming in that. You better watch out because there's a big wave coming in now. That wave's just gone over where he was. He's still there. There he is there. I cannot believe it. It's insane what they can do. Just shows you how lame us humans are. Right, well, time to start heading home. I think I'm freezing. That's us back in North Row, back to the car. Really handy place to park next to the kirk here, a bit of space. You're not going to get in anyone's road as far as I'm aware. Yeah, so neat day. I did miss a few extra layers. I think I could have been doing with some more clothes, to be honest. A little bit cold out there, but still amazing, beautiful, loads of space. The Scott was brilliant today as well. Really came into its own on that wet boggy ground. And yeah, I hope some of the images I've shown you convey the beauty of what's around us and gives you a sense of what Uyea is like. And thanks very much for watching. I love making these, bit of fun. I try not to take them too seriously. And I'm just grateful for anybody else that gets something out of it. So thank you very much. Till next time, see you later.